Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix blurry images on Shopify. First of all, open shopify.com. In the navigation menu, here is the most commonly used Shopify image sizes for specific image types. Product images size should be 2048 by 2048 in width and height respectively. Slideshow banner images size should be 1600 by 500 in width and height respectively. Shopify logo should be up to 450 by 250. Video placeholder image should be in size of 1600 by 900 in width and height respectively. From these instructions, you can select images of perfect sizes to avoid blurry images. That's how you can fix blurry images on Shopify. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.